Introducing the 2016 Kia Optima. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a stylish and capable Kia Optima, the midsize, family-friendly sedan that prioritizes safety and passenger comfort. With standard driver assist features, ample cargo room, and striking good looks, you'll feel confident on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. You deserve the comfort and convenience of this striking Optima. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.